Remove special characters from file names. So we have old file names or existing file name which has some special characters like percentage sign, and sign, equals, dollar sign, hashtag, add. So we'll remove these special characters, and after removing, the clean file name will be here. So we will do this automation through macro. Let's go to our folder. So we have zip file. When you download from our website, you will get a zip file. Open the zip file, copy the folder and paste in your destination folder. Paste there. Open the folder. So we have here source folder and output folder. In the source folder, we have the files with special characters, and in the output folder, we have have nothing. So when we run the macro, we will get the clean file here. So let's open the macro. Here we need the source folder path and output folder path where we save our final files. So let's go for first source folder. We get the path. We get the path. Shift right click, copy as path. Come to paste in cell C3. Again, we get the output folder path. So go to the folder, copy the output folder, shift and right click to get the folder path. Paste in the cell C4. Now run the macro. Our macro run and check in the output folder. See our files. There is no special character, and in the source folder you will see that special character with each file name.